Right now, 27 girls remain missing out of Camp Mystic. The search is urgent and ongoing. At one point, the governor himself visited the site to see the destruction with his own eyes. KENS 5 reporter Megan Reina joins us now live from outside the campgrounds with the very latest. Megan?
Well, Alicia, as that water receded today, we really got to take a look at that destruction. The drive down Highway 39 to here in Hunt at Camp Mystic was tough, but it gave us a better idea of just how this all happened, how it was possible for all of those girls to go missing. And the sad news tonight that we have learned, the camp's director died while trying to go and rescue those girls. As the Guadalupe River receded, reality started to set in Saturday.
I mean, it's unbelievable.
It's a lot of destruction. Most of the camps are gone, so like Hunt's gone.
A growing death toll in a search to find missing young girls who just 48 hours ago were enjoying summer camp here at Camp Mystic. People who live in the Kerr County community hitting the ground, searching themselves.
We're just trying to keep doing what we can to find our missing.
And Governor Greg Abbott touring the campground Saturday afternoon. These operations included searching by boat, foot, and up in the air. Amanda Payne showed up to the scene with her daughters. One of them was getting ready to go to summer camp in Hunt next month.
It's just terrifying. I couldn't imagine.
She's thinking of the families who are going through an unimaginable pain. One of the victims identified, the camp's own director, Dick Eastland. The Kerrville Daily Times reporting he died while trying to save and protect campers from the rushing floodwaters.
Just hang in there, have faith, and I hope that we find your babies.
Christina Hernandez shared a similar message. She drove here from Ingram to hand out water to first responders, everyone in the community doing what they can to help.
We're just trying to make sure that our first responders are hydrated and they are good to go through the night and just be fully energized just to keep searching for everybody who's missing, especially the camp girls.
And again, 27 campers unaccounted for tonight. And I can confirm there's still crews out here searching right now, even with how dark it is. The governor reassuring the community that they will not stop until every last girl is found. Reporting live from Hunt, Megan Reina, KENS 5.